So today we're going to go through the weather and climate syllabus. I am Lee Wellhouse, and I am the instructor for this course. You can contact me by my email that I'm circling right here, ljwellhouse@madisoncollege.edu. This syllabus can be found on the Blackboard website. So this class will meet twice a week, Mondays and Wednesdays, for 3 hours. 12:30 to 3:20 p.m. It's at the Truax campus at 3200 or B3200A classroom. As far as what this class is, we will be talking about weather and climate in its many forms. So we will go from temperature, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, and talk about all the different parts of weather, and cloud cover included in that. And then we will expand and understand how they all play a role in the larger structure of weather. As far as this class goes, for transferability, it is transferable to the UW as AOS 100, Introduction to Meteorology. The textbook, if you've already purchased the textbook, luckily we have a PDF version thanks to Steve Ackerman. He was kind enough to give us access to it. So if you have the physical copy, if you like that, you can keep it, but if you'd like to save some money, you can return that. It is all on Blackboard. The one thing we ask is please don't upload that textbook anywhere else. If it's uploaded somewhere, that will cause us to lose access to it, so please don't do it. You're just hurting yourself and other students. As far as what this class will talk about, as I said, we'll talk about the basic variables of the atmosphere, temperature, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, cloud cover, types of precipitation. We'll talk about the physics, the dynamics of the weather, how the atmosphere came to be, forecasting the weather, and then we'll talk about long-term weather, both forecasting and getting even into extremely long terms for climate and understanding how climate and climate change works. And you can see that in the core abilities and competencies part of the syllabus. Probably something you're interested in is how this class will be graded. So it's broken down into 5 subsections. In-class activities, which are around 20% of your grade. Quizzes, every class period will have a quiz. So that it covers the prior class period's information. That is 25% of your grade. There will be 5 homework assignments. That's another 25% of your grade. And then you will have a journal essay. What that is a peer-reviewed journal article that you review, comment on, talk about in a short paper. That's 5% of your grade. And then the final in the class is worth 25% of your grade. The grading scale is the standard for Madison College, and you can find that directly in the syllabus. I'm circling it right here. As far as guidelines for success, we will have an in-class assignment on this, talking about what it takes to succeed, what students think it takes to succeed, academic integrity, academic honesty, what aspects of that you think are important, and we'll build a working understanding of that together so everyone's on the same page. But if you are a little confused at any time, the boilerplate in the syllabus that you can see right here is always there as a good guideline, good starting point if you follow the links. And what we work on in class will be posted on Blackboard. All of this information will be on Blackboard, as will the rest of the class. Homework assignments, in-class assignments, everything can be found on Blackboard. Now, as for the effort expected in this class, it will take about 5 to 6 hours per week to keep up with this class. If that is a problem, let me know. We will find a way to accommodate you. But if you can't work a certain amount of time, this class might be a little much for you. As far as the class itself, you can go down and see the schedule. It's a breakdown of every area. Today we will actually continue on to talk about the atmosphere, how it came to be, the history of weather and climate, what the difference between weather and climate is, and what the science of meteorology entails. And then next time we'll be talking about the Earth's energy balance, and we'll move from there. This schedule is an estimate, but it's a pretty good estimate. So, and then finally, just so you have an idea, a flowchart of how the Blackboard site works. It tells you where things can be found, so you can find course documents, discussions, assignments, in-class activities, etc. So that's what we have for today, and I hope you enjoy this class.